In this video, we'll show you how to automate CRM updates in Salesflare and save time managing your sales processes. Stick around till the end because I'll also tell you how you can access this software for free and get some amazing exclusive bonuses. Salesflare is a CRM tool designed to help businesses automate their sales processes. One of its key features is automation, which eliminates the need for manual CRM updates. This helps you maintain a cleaner, more accurate database without having to do it yourself. To begin automating CRM updates in Salesflare, start by integrating your email, calendar, and social media accounts. Salesflare automatically pulls in important data from these sources, such as email conversations, meetings, and even interactions with clients across social media platforms. Once your accounts are integrated, you can set up automation rules. These rules will trigger actions when certain conditions are met, like automatically updating a lead's status when an email is sent or received. The system can also log interactions, update notes, and move contacts through the pipeline without you having to lift a finger. Another fantastic feature of Salesflare's automation is its ability to track customer activities. For example, when a lead opens an email or clicks on a link, the CRM records it automatically. This not only ensures your database is up to date, but also helps you track and follow up on crucial interactions with potential clients. Now, let's talk about how Salesflare's AI helps. The software uses artificial intelligence to suggest the next best steps in your sales process. Whether it's following up with a customer or scheduling a call, the AI considers all your past interactions and provides recommendations, saving you the time spent figuring out next steps manually. For those who want even more control, Salesflare allows you to set up custom workflows. These workflows automate tasks based on specific triggers, so you can tailor the automation to fit your exact needs. For instance, when a contact's deal moves to the next stage, Salesflare can automatically send them a follow-up email or set a reminder for you to schedule a call. These automations are incredibly flexible and customizable. You can set them up to update your CRM as often as needed, so you're always working with the most up-to-date data. Plus, the platform's easy-to-use interface ensures that you can manage these updates without any technical expertise. A great thing about Salesflare is its simplicity. Unlike other CRMs, you don't need to spend hours learning complex tools to set up your automations. The software is intuitive, making it easier for teams of all sizes to implement CRM automation. Remember, automation in Salesflare doesn't just save you time, it also ensures that you never miss an important update or lead follow-up. It's designed to make the sales process more efficient and less error-prone, so you can focus on growing your business. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Salesflare for free right now through the first link in the description below. And as an exclusive bonus, you'll get extended access to features that will help you automate your CRM updates even more effectively. Don't miss this limited time offer. If you're ready to streamline your sales process and take advantage of automation, now's the time to start with Salesflare. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.